welcome back to my Drunk Elephant product review series. And if you are interested in knowing the background of the series of videos or the brand Drunk Elephant itself, please do watch the intro video, which I will link here. And this is just one of the many in the series where I talk about one Drunk Elephant product that I've used before and my experience and my review and my thoughts on it. So today I want to talk about another one of their very famous product in their line, which is the T.L.C. Sukari Babyfacial. It comes in a box like this, and in the box you actually have a small travel size marula oil that, I can't get it out here, that comes with the baby facial. Because they really recommend that you use the marula oil right after the facial, which is I found to be very helpful for sure. And I've talked about and review about the marula oil in my last video, so feel free to check it out, which I will also link here as well. So this T.L.C. Babyfacial contains 25% AHA and 2% BHA. It's a very strong peel product, which is probably why it's only sold in the US, I believe. It's not sold in Canada or Hong Kong or like all the other places that I've been to and try to look for it. It is basically a chemical peel on your face that you can do at home. And it's not a cheap product, but the way I sort of think about it is that I could either spend probably a higher budget on doing facial treatments at spas once in a while, or I can do this at home once a week. And I feel like in that sense, this is not a bad deal at all. So I think this product is very effective on my skin. But do be careful because you do experience a tingly sensation when you apply it, just like when you do any peel on your face, and it could be too harsh for some people. So if you're not sure, try to test it in a small area, in a less sensitive area on your face to see first before you go full out on all over your face. So the way to use this is to put a thin layer, an even layer all over your face and let it sit there for 20 minutes and then wash it off, and then apply the marula oil, which I have it here. If you do some research on this product, you will see people raving about how good it is, how effective it is, because you immediately feel the result next day. It's like, it does feel like you have baby skin again in terms of the texture. Obviously, look-wise, it's gonna take some time for it to, lighten the dark spots and heal your zits or the acne that you have, but that texture change is immediate, and your makeup and your skincare product goes on so smoothly in the next morning. It's just amazing. So I've been experiencing some pretty bad breakouts on and off for the past year or so, mostly because of the unhealthy stuff or snacks that I choose to eat sometimes, or just hormones or mood swings and stuff. And I find this to be such an effective acne treatment for me because I'm pretty bad with acne. I just like to poke them. It's bad. But even if I do that and I use this, it's gonna hurt a lot when you have scars on your face, but it's gonna make your scars heal so much faster afterwards. Usually it takes me 1 to 2 days. I'd say on average 2 days for the scars to heal super fast, and you just have sort of like a hyperpigmentation sort of forming on top of your acne or the scar, but it's gonna come off on day 2 or day 3, and that's when your acne go flat and you just have a little bit of a red residual sort of pigmentation left on your skin, and that's gonna cure over time and go away over time as well. So I love that about this product. I can take the pain. I'm pretty tolerant in terms of when it comes to pain. I'm not that sensitive, so I am okay with this, but I just want to say sometimes if you have a face full of acne or like really bad situation, it might hurt a lot, and you just want to be careful if you can handle it or not. Other than that, I think this is a good investment that allows you to do peels at home yourself. And I've never seen someone who bought this product and used it and said that they didn't feel any results. The results are immediate and very, very obvious. So recommended, and use cautiously, but it's gonna be good. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Please do let me know what your thoughts are, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next review video. Bye.